KNW stock analysis and KNW stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I myself have done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I have everything documented. And I mean, not just to just try and crap about it, but I have proof of all this. You know, with KNW, like this is really like nothing new. Here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand when it was $3. We're looking to take it above like almost 4. This has delivered. And if you want to stay tuned and want to learn how to make you 5-10k per month trading, then yeah, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free mails if you want. It's free insights. But going back, how I'm looking to double down with KNW is actually quite simple. Here's my top. If this does not pull, I mean, it's already inside sort of a demand zone. Like this whole thing is, it's sort of a demand. So all I'm looking to do is just buy as long as there's the shift happening, right? So how's that going to look like? Well, one way to look at it is from this shift, or a second way if it pulls down and gives me shift below. So I'm going to mark it up as such, but if obviously no rules are met, it's not long for me. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.